So back in Power BI, I am under the report view, and we have these different tabs, and we can also collapse any of these tabs if we need to by just clicking on these double arrows. And when you click on these arrows, it just gives you a little bit more space on your dashboard down here. Up here, we have some of these tabs. We actually won't spend a ton of time up in these tabs. For the most part, we are going to be using these two tabs, the visualization and the data tab, almost exclusively. Just to kind of get a lay of the land here, this area right here is where we are going to be putting all of our visualizations. And down here, we can actually add additional pages to create more visualizations. How we are going to set this up is we are going to have a main dashboard right here. In fact, I can double click and call this dashboard. So this will be our main dashboard. We'll have the key visualizations we want to share with our team. We can also create additional pages that might have a maybe ancillary or appendix type of visualizations that we still want to have, we still want to be able to show to our team or to our clients, but aren't part of this main dashboard that we are going to be creating here. The important thing when we are creating visualizations is that these visualizations are very easy to read, they tell a story, and that they have the most important information. We don't want to have just a bunch of random visualizations that don't really add value to our analysis. So we only want to put the absolutely most important visualizations kind of on this main dashboard. And then any additional ones that we're working on or that are just good to know, we can kind of put on these additional tabs down here. I'm going to go ahead and delete this page right here because I don't need page 1 quite yet. We'll create additional pages when we create some additional kind of appendix type of visualizations.